Advanced Materials Base. Let's clear this bad turkey out. We're going to start with a couple of devoutes. 4 more devoutes. 4 controllers. And 1 escort just to draw the guys in the back out. The escorts draw these guys out who want to kill everything. So that's the only reason the escort's in there, to draw him out. And let's kill this. And then once you clean the front, you stop, because these guys keep producing. So that's good enough for that. Now the airstrip. And this will not continue to produce. Now we're just going to clean out the front. So we'll start by sending in 4 devout. Put them on hold. 4 controllers. That will clean it out. Now we're going to send 1 devout, and he's going to be the distraction. Take him over here. Right there's good. Now we'll send the 4 controllers to clean out the front. The devout will not get much damage. And the 4 controllers will clear out the front for you. You got to be careful in here because there's mines in here. So right now we're just seeing what we can kill. All right. He will come up. We'll try to shoot him and have him kill it on the way back. We'll see if it happens. If not, all right, let's see if he'll take it back. No. All right. So what we have to do, we'll bring in Max to kill a few of the mines. So if you bring Max in, he will explode the mines for you. All right, that's all you need. Now, we've got to get rid of this gun. I'm going to show you how we're going to clean the base out with almost no trouble. That should take care of that. All right, retreat these guys. Retreat, controllers, retreat. Now we're going to bring in 1 escort. How did he get damaged? Who knows? And we're going to use the escort. He's going to be our battering ram. We're just going to shoot him. He's going to run through the base and kill everything for us. Hopefully we lined up well. Again, the escort just sits over there. He's going to cut through here and clean out the middle. So we just see what we can get with it. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. It's just an easy way to kill it without taking much damage. See if we can get the rail. No, won't get it completely. We'll get it next time. All right, pull him back. Now we'll clean out the other side. Send in 4 devout. And again, they're just for distraction. Put them on hold. Bring in 4 controllers. We'll clean the front with that. Bring 1 devout down. We just want him to be a distraction. He won't take much damage. That's it. Now with everybody shooting at him, he'll get about 30 seconds of damage. We'll clean the front with our controllers. Now we'll clean these guys because we'll do the same thing with our escort. We'll clean out the side over there. All right, that's it. Send them home. Now bring in our escort. Again, we will use the tank. This time we got to see if we can get rid of the rail. So you just line it up as best as you can. If you mess up, you just start over again. It's not the end of the world. Right about there. We'll just run him through the middle. Hopefully he'll kill him. If he doesn't, we'll kill him. We'll start again. Because once you reset, he comes back and you can use him again. That should get him. All right. Hopefully he'll run through here. Clean out the whole middle for you. Escorts are great at this kind of stuff. All right, that's good enough for him. Now we're going to bring in Max because there's a bunch of mines over here. And he's going to clean out the mines for us. There's 9 of them over here. So once you get all 9, that's it. Send him out of there. Now we'll bring in a couple of controllers. How much time we got? We got enough. Just kill some of this stuff. Then we'll bring in our devout's and absolvers. We're done. Just step-by-step process. Don't be in a hurry. He comes, kill him. We're going to clean a little bit of this, then we'll send in our devout's. If he moves, we're out of here. Okay, good. Now we'll kill this guy, and then we clear the rest with our devout's and absolvers. All right. How much time we got left? All right, we'll quit. We'll start over. Now again, we'll show you how we'll make another big hole in the base. Got to get rid of this tank. This time I'm going to bring in Braden. If I bring in Braden and let Braden shoot, he's too powerful. He'll kill these things and they won't kill anything. But right now I just want to get rid of him. But if you use Braden and he's fully equipped, he kills it too quickly. So don't use Braden. Use just a regular escort. I'm at the end now, so I just want to get him out. All right, he's gone. Now we're just going to bring in a regular escort. And again, we're going to run this guy through here. And he's going to clear out some more of the base, just to make it easy on us. Just going to get him over here right about, that's good enough. He'll run through here. Sometimes the tank dies. If not, we'll kill him with the absolvers and the devout's. Just make it easy on yourself. Sometimes we can get the tower. Oh, yes, looks good, looks good. Yes, yes, yes. All right, good enough. Good enough. All right, now we'll bring in our devout's and absolvers. 12 devout's, 6 absolvers. How much time we got? Oh, lots of time. These guys take very little damage, and they'll clean the rest of the base for you. All right, this is our biggest damage right here. Get rid of the Draken. That's it. Basically, we're done. That's how easy it is. Clean it out. Get 2,000. Go home and have a good time. So let's see how much damage. We didn't get much damage. Send the stuff home and I'll show you how little bit of damage we got. As soon as everything gets back. It's all in transit right now. It seems like a lot. It says 27 minutes, but this is all minor damage. As you can see, it's all instant repair. Nothing has a lot of damage. As long as you keep the damage down less than 5 minutes per unit, piece of cake. That should be less than 5. Yep. So as you can see, it's instant repair. It should be less than 5. That's a little bit more than 5. Instant repair. 5 minutes and 9 seconds. That was it.